Since 1984, Cypress Security Products in Calgary has built a strong foundation in providing locksmith supplies and security hardware to our valued customers. Throughout this time, we've established alliances with a number of companies that assist us in bringing security products to our customers as quickly as possible. This allows us to be more efficient at supplying security hardware in a timely manner. Our commitment on delivering reasonably priced quality products as quickly as possible sets us apart from our competition. We not only have the best in mechanical security hardware, but are up to date on all the latest in electronic security hardware and systems. Give us a call today and learn why we'll soon become your top choice for all your security product needs.